I'm going to begin by talking to you, Shah Rukh. We heard you say something at Davos. It was about the kind of economy that we are trying to create. You spoke about the Korean economy. You spoke about the Chinese economy. Put that in context for us.
See my con. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Awaaz aa rahi hai? Can you hear me? Yeah, thanks. Actually, when I talk in, first of all, good afternoon, everyone. And it's a big honor to be on a panel with such distinguished people, except Ritesh Sidhwani, who's my colleague, so I won't give him too much respect. I just love him. But having said that, you know, wherever I talk about, of course, my knowledge is limited. I'd like to believe I'm more creative than an understander of economy or the business or the entrepreneurship of it. But there are a few aspects which are completely lying in front of our eyes, and perhaps we've not taken cognizance of it. We've not taken it into consideration when we come to business. So I can only talk about, say, the entertainment part and perhaps a little about the media part of it. And we do have a market, which is perhaps the biggest market for entertainment in the world, apart from other things too, I'm sure. We are 1.25 billion people, and we keep on harping about it. We keep on being very proud about it. And of course, we are extremely busy to have created 1.25 billion people in the evenings here. So we are an active population, an active country. Having said that, unless there is some kind of a conjunction for the viewer or the consumer and the producers, which most of us are, if we do not create that at the pace that, like, say, China has done or Korea has done, just for a comparison, I was talking to the CM Saab just now, we have about 12,000 theaters in this country. Of course, Amazon and Netflix is all here. They are creating more platforms. But we are not being able to create theaters or places where people can go and enjoy entertainment at the rate that people actually want to go and see it. And that's the cue we have to take from the rest of the world, like, say, China, who's created about 50 to 60,000 theaters in a span of last 10, 15 years, if I'm not mistaken, if my figures are not wrong. And similarly, the organization of the entertainment sector. One of the things that we have lagged behind, I personally feel, is that we kept on looking to the West, mainly Hollywood, as you said. Yes. Their point is to be taken from there. They have organized the entertainment sector in a very nice way, or a way that we can learn from, if not copy or follow suit. But while we were talking about organizing the entertainment sector in the last 5, 7 years, a new entertainment sector has come, which is led by Amazon and Netflix and different platforms, and social media has gone topsy-turvy and completely changed how it should be organized. So we are again at a point in time now that with this new advent of digital media, we should quickly organize ourselves, not for any other reason, but just to take the business to its full capacity, if not full half capacity. A film like Dangal, which perhaps is the greatest and most watched film in the country ever, or Bahubali maybe, has garnered only 3 crore people in the theaters, and we have 125 crore people left, or 122 crore people left that we can garner to or take the film to. The fact that we've not been able to take it to them is the reason they've not watched it, not because they did not want to see it. So my logic of economy growth is that if we are able to somehow, especially starting from Maharashtra, we're right here in the hub of entertainment and media, if we can start off trying to make sure and facilitate the consumer to watch entertainment, whether it's on television, whether it's on digital media, and theaters first, because that really is perhaps too conventional now, but in the Indian context, not so conventional either, because there are areas which have never seen a cinema theater for years.